First, what is a tutorial module? A tutorial module is simply an assembly of various tutorial videos, which we will be able to offer within a course in a specific tab. This one will take up the different lessons that we will organize. To create this module, go to the administration part, catalog, resources, and tutorial modules. Here, you will find the different modules used on your platform, and you will be able to create a new module. Just click Add Tutorial Module. Then, add a unique ID, a name, upload or choose an image, so you can post it later in the course. The first step is complete. The module feature is created. You will then be able to add a first lesson by making a right-click, such as Word. Add as many lessons as you like. Once you have created your lessons, use the right-click again to add videos to them. Search for the video to add to the module and so on, which will be your first lesson. Do the same for each of the lessons that composes it. Then attach your new module to the corresponding course. Choose your course, then click Manage Content. For now, your course contains no resources, only its description. Make a right-click on the name and add the Tutorial Module section. Then add your module and save. This way, your users will see it appear in the course in the tutorial section.